Okay, again, good day everyone. This is our second example for the week 5 topic of your module, which is problem solving involving sequences. So for example 2, I have here the problem. Every December, SINS is sponsoring a gift-giving program for an orphanage. Malapit na kasi ang Pasko. A newspaper fund drive to collect fund was launched. A student promised that he will bring 2 newspapers on the launching day of the drive, 6 on the second day, and triple the number of newspapers each day until the last day of the fund drive. If the fund drive is set from December 1 to December 5, question is, how many newspaper will the student bring on the last day? And letter B, what is the total number of newspapers that he will contribute? So again, let's apply the steps that we have studied on the first video that I have sent to you. So let us see or observe what kind of sequence will be applicable to this kind of problem. So kung titingnan natin sa ating mga phrases na nandiyan, sa mga key phrases natin, sabi dito, the student will bring 2 newspaper on the luncheon day. Tapos sa second day, magdadala naman siya ng 6. So kung makikita niyo ang sequence ay 2, 6, and then triple the number of newspaper each day until the last day of the fund drive. Kung iti-triple natin, ang kasunod niya ay 18. And so on. So dito pa lang, makikita na natin na nagkakaroon tayo ng mas mabilis na pagdami ng terms ng sequence. So makikita natin is 2 times 3 is 6 times 3 is equal to 18, iti-triple na iti-triple. So ibig sabihin, pwede natin i-conclude ngayon na ito ay anong klaseng sequence? Okay, this is a geometric sequence. So, the terms of the sequence na mga dadaling newspaper is increasing geometrically. Katulad ng lesson natin doon sa ating online class. So, after identifying the kind of sequence, magplano na tayo. So, kung geometric sequence na kailangan natin, at tinatanong dito, ay kung ilan ang madadala ng estudyante sa ika-5th day, and ilan lahat ang madadala niya pagkatapos ng 5 days na yun, ang mga kailangan natin ngayong value ay a sub 1. So, given ang a sub 1 is 2, and since geometric sequence dapat may common ratio or R, since its number of newspapers being tripled every day, understood na ang ating common ratio is 3, and since we were told that that drive will be conducted from December to December 5, December 1 to December 5, that is 5 days. Therefore, our n is equal to 5. Okay, so yun yung mga helpful given. Formula naman, in order to find for the number of term na dadalhin nila sa specific na araw. So, ang kailangan natin is a sub n, ang formula natin ng geometric sequence, finding the n term of the geometric sequence. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 r to the n minus 1. Para naman nakuha natin yung sum ng terms ng isang geometric sequence, we have s sub n is equal to a sub 1 times quantity 1 minus r raised to the n all over 1 minus r. Okay? So, after ng plano, gawin na natin siya, tulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Question number 1 is, how many newspaper will the student bring on the last day? So, last day, ibig sabihin, December 5 na yun. Ikailang araw na yun. December 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang hinihingi sa atin is a sub 5. A sub 5 is our a sub n. Therefore, n is equal to 5. So, sabihin natin, r is equal to 3. Gagamitin natin ito ngayon. To find a sub n, a sub 1, r to the n minus 1, substitute n by 5, a sub 5 is equal to, a sub 1 natin is 2, yun yung unang bilang ng dinala niya sa lunching break. Substitute A sub 1 by 2 and R is equal to 3. So remember to enclose it in parentheses para makita natin yung kanilang division or yung kanilang pagkakahiwalay. Raised to the n minus 1. N is equal to 5. Minus 1 is equal to 4. Then, meron na tayong exponential number sa pendas natin. Ito ang una natin i-evaluate. A sub 5 is equal to 2 times 3 raised to the 4th power. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 81. And then multiply. A sub 5 is equal to 160. That is the number of newspaper na dadalhin ng estudyante sa ikalimang araw or on the last day of the fund drive. Okay, for number 2 naman or for letter B. What is the total number? So total means sum. Total number of newspapers that you will contribute sa loob ng 5 araw na fund drive na yon. So ito naman ngayon ang gagamitin natin. S sub n, ito yung letter A natin solution. Ito yung letter B. S sub n is equal to A sub 1 times 1 minus R to the n all over 1 minus R. By substitution, since 5 araw, S sub 5, A sub 1 is 2 times quantity 1 minus 3 raised to the 5th power. To the 5th power all over 1 minus 3. Okay, so isa-isa lang. Laging ito muna ang ating i-evaluate yung nasa loob. S sub 5 is equal to 2 times 1 minus 3 raised to the 5th power. Ang 3 to the 4th ay 81. Times 3 ulit. Ano? Kasi to the 50. 81 times 3 is 243. Okay? All over 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2. So, since ang 2 at saka yung 2 ay pwede natin i-cancel, sa kasunod, cancel na natin siya. S sub 5 is equal to 2. 1 minus 243. Although, pwede na natin ito ngayon evaluate. 1 minus 243 is equal to, since nagbawas tayo ng mas malaki sa mas maunti, ibig sabihin, ang answer nito is negative. Negative 243 minus 1 is equal to negative 242 all over negative 2. Since 2 divided by 2 can be cancelled, natira na lang ay 1 over negative 1, S sub 5 is equal to, so itong positive over negative is negative 1. Galing yun dito ha. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Positive divided by negative is negative. Kaya siya naging negative 1 times negative 242. And multiplying both numbers with the same sign, negative times negative is equal to positive 242. This is the sum of all the newspapers that the student will bring throughout the day of the fund drive sa 5 araw. Okay? So, ito ang kanyang dadalhin sa ika-5 araw. Since nagdala siya ng 5 araw, pag tinotal yun, ang madadala niya lahat-lahat ay 242. So, since ito naman ikakaunti, dagdagan lang ninyo. 2 times 3, 6, times 3, 18, times 3, 54, times 3, 162. Adin nyo lahat yan. Ano? Pag inad ko ito lahat, ang sagot niya is 242. Pero alam naman natin, pag ating inad ito manually, madali lang kasi di 5 term lang naman yan. Pero itong ating formula, helpful yan kapag may mga problem na tayo na umaabot na halimbawa na sa n ay sobrang madami o sobrang mahaba na. Okay? So, for the final answer, see, plan, do, look back, and write the final answer. Okay? Ano yung final answer? How many newspaper will the student bring on the last day? The student will bring. Ilan na yung sagot natin kanina? 162 newspapers. On the 5th day. On the, ngayon nakalagay ba doon? On the last day or the 5th day. And for letter B, what is the total number of newspapers that you will contribute? The student will contribute a total of, ilan nga, ayon sa ating solution doon sa ating ginawa, 242 newspapers. Newspapers on the 5th day of the month. Okay? So, ito isang example naman na ang applicable ay geometric sequence. So, wala nang mahirap sa problem. Ang mahalaga lang, sundin niyo yung ating steps. Unang-unang dapat magawa ng tama is to identify kung anong klase siyang sequence. Afterwards, yung tamang pagpaplano. Kasi nasa depende sa tamang plano nyo kung magagamit nyo ng tama para doon sa execution ng inyong solution. And, kung paalala ulit, huwag kakalimutan na bumalik doon sa tanong para masagot nyo ng kompleto yung hinihingi sa inyong sagot. Okay? So, pag ganito na inyong solution, doon sa ibibigay ko sa inyong activity, pagkatapos nito, siguradong may 20 points na kayo. Okay, so that's all. Good luck. Thank you very much.